How to create a list of bullet points in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a list of bullet points or more important uh, thing or lists of objects that you are going to class them as important or conditions into your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard of your account. Once you're here, you're going to click on websites at the left side of the screen. So basically, they have changed the appearance of the dashboard from the horizontal menu or menu items to the vertical ones. So we are going to click on websites list. From here, we are going to check all of the websites that we have created, select one of them by clicking on Edit Website, and from here, we are going to wait for the website editor. Now we have the website editor opened. So what can we do in here is either to search for a specific text or a specific paragraph to make it at least bullet points, or we can add some text manually like this. I'm going to facilitate the task in here, and we are going to click on this one. So what I am going to do here is to click on edit text. Now we are going to click on a specific button, which is going to be this list. We are going to click on it, and then we are going to have two type of texts. We have the numbered list and we have the bulleted list. So we are going to click on bulleted list, and you're going to see that we are going to get our first thing in here bulleted. So we are going to have here a bullet text by clicking on list again, have a bullet in here and start creating, for example, the bullet point. So for example, here focus, uh, like that, focus on your, let's say here, job, for example. And when you click on enter, you're going to have the second bullet point. Third, for example, until you are going to finish your paragraph, for example, like that. And here we have it. Basically, do not forget to set up the spacing of the text by heading over here and getting the spacing put in here, reduced to something like that. And if you want to reduce it more, you can have the line height adjusted, just like that. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.